The GTools standard modular steel garage workbench series is an easy and super fast way to build your own workbench and storage solution. Get the layout that works best for you with these freestanding modules that join together to make a workbench combination that has variable length and variable parts. It's like Lego for your garage. Buy the blocks you like and create your garage dream. The space you need works around a design height at maximum of 2 meters or just 950 millimeters to the workbench top. Bench depth is 46 centimeters. Total length is up to you as you can just keep adding more modules, no limit, and you can even go around 90-degree corners and keep adding. This system is designed to fit in your 2-car garage and still leave enough room to park your car there. Allow at least 50 centimeters of space in depth when measuring. To work out exact size of a project, you need to know the width of each module piece, which are either 600, 680 or 915 millimeters. Sum these measures together and note that the workbench tops come in 3 sizes that cover either 1, or 2 or 3 base units. To complete the look and style, you typically add pegboards with Euro-style square peg holes and upper cabinets if you wish, but these are not essential. These are sized to match the width of a single base unit, and pegboards come with or without a built-in power board and USB connections. Upper cabinets pieces can be then mounted onto the pegboard or leave out for a larger pegboard area. Vertical pillars are used to join the units together to make a freestanding set. They come as a joiner piece that connects 2 pegboards or as end piece if there is no connection required to the next item. The system is not mounted to the wall of your garage, it is freestanding so you can easily move it if required. Tool kits in EVA trays are available that are sized to match the drawers in the modular systems. Peg hooks can also be found in our accessory pages. Base units refer to the cabinets that sit under the bench and are either 5 drawers, 7 drawers, 2 vertical door cabinet, a rubbish bin with paper roll holder, a tap sink unit, and there is also a mobile tool trolley on wheels that can be used as a centerpiece, or just leave space so you can put a chair there and use it as a desk area. Optional adjustable feet are available if your floor is uneven. These units have the frame, sides and rear in a matte black finish, and the fascia is a textured speckled gray pattern. Contact GTools to order.